Khan's Maths 5 Plus, page 22. Dear students, today we learn about numbers 1 to 9. The smallest number is called unit, and 1 unit is one object. Look at these pictures. 1 cube represents 1 unit, the number 1. 2 cubes represent 2 units, the number 2. 3 cubes represent 3 units, the number 3. 4 cubes represent 4 units, the number 4. 5 cubes represent 5 units, the number 5. 6 cubes represent 6 units, the number 6. 7 cubes represent 7 units, the number 7. 8 cubes represent 8 units, the number 8. 9 cubes represent 9 units, the number 9. Respectable teachers and parents, explain the information about units and numbers to the children in detail. Tell them that the smallest number is called a unit. Also, explain to the children that one number is 1 unit, 2 numbers are 2 units, 3 numbers are 3 units, and so on. Tell them that 1 unit is also called U, which is mathematical expression of unit. Ask the children to repeat all information and numbers after you, and count numbers and units up to 9. Appreciate the children's great interest in learning about numbers and units and clap for them. Thank you.